Today, our speed sound lesson is going to focus on the sound O. O. Blow the snow. Blow the snow. O. So we've got our special friends who, when they stand next to each other, it changes what they sound like. And when they're together, they say O. 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 O, O, O. O, O. O, O. O. Fantastic. Slow. O. Slow. Low. Low. Like low to the ground. Show. Show. Let me show you O. And the last one. No. No. I know you are clever. No. No. Fantastic. So when you see this side, you say O. And when you see this side, you say blow the snow. Oh, blow the snow. Are you ready? Blow the snow. O. 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 Blow the snow. Blow the snow. O. Now, are you ready to do some super sound spotting? We've got our O, blow the snow, and I'm going to put it in with these cards somewhere in there, and let's see if you can find it and spot it before I do. Are you ready? W. I think, I stink. Thing on a string. J. Y. O. O. Blow the snow. Well done. Right, are you ready? We'll do them again. I'm just slotting them in. Are you ready? Ready? Super sound spotting. Shh. Thing on a string. I. E. A. May I play? I think I stink. Oh, blow the snow. Fantastic. B, o, o, blow. S, n, o, snow. S, o, o, slow. Ready. Ooh, helps if it's the right way up, doesn't it? B, o, o, blow. Snow, snow. S-o, slow. All, o, low, low. Ready? 2 ribbons, 2 bits of string, no buttons. So you've got, and then, ooh, ready? Sh, o, show. Very impressive. Now, this is a silent letter that you have done with Mrs. Barrett. You haven't done it with me yet. So we had these 2 together, which went O, no. It's the no of knowledge. When you learn these sounds, you're getting new knowledge. Know. When you know something really well. Now we're going to have a go at our speed writing. Are you ready? All of the words have got O in them. Okay, try and use your phonic knowledge rather than copying. Okay, are you ready? Your first word you're going to write is all, o, low. So there's 2 sounds but 3 letters. All, leg, o, as in blow the snow. All, o. Have a go. I will wait. Press pause if you want to. Our next word is sh, o, show. Now this time there's 2 sounds, sh, o, but 4 letters. Shh, says the horse to the hissing snake. Oh, blow the snow. Shh, oh. Have a go. I'll be really impressed if you do this one. Press pause. And last but not least, slow. S, O, O. 3 sounds, 4 letters. S, O, O. 3 sounds. Off you go. Have a good go at trying to write them. Once again, I'll wait and press pause if you need to. Are you ready? I'll show you how to write them. So our first word was all, O. 2 sounds, 3 words. Are you ready? So, all, down the long leg. O, O. We know how to do O, don't we? Because we're doing all around the orange. And W, W, worm. And that's down, up, down, up. All, O. 1, 2 sounds. Low. Well done if you did that. Now our next one. Oh, our next one I thought was probably the hardest of all. It was show. Sh, O. 2 sounds, 4 letters. So let's start with our shh, says the horse to the hissing snake. So we slither down the snake and we do a makes a sh sound, doesn't it? So we go down the horse's head to his hooves and over his back. Shh. Then we need to do our O. So all around the orange. W, w, worm. Down, up, down, up. Sh, O. Show. Very tricky. 1 sound, 2 sounds. Sh, O. Show. And last but not least, slow. So this time, S, O, O. 3 sounds, 4 letters. Starting with S. Slither down the snake? Okay. S, O, O. Oh, down the long leg. O, O, blow the snow. All around the orange with a w, w, worm. Down, up, down, up. S, all, O. Slow. S, all, O. Slow. Great writing. Well done if you managed to do them. They were quite tricky today. Now, I've got some words for you to read, and they are made up mainly of today's sound, O, blow the snow, and yesterday's sound, I, fly high. Okay, there are a few others in there as well, just to keep you on your toes. Are you ready? So, I think we will start with this one. Your turn. Ready? Ch, op, chop. All I, light. This is a little bit tricky. Remember, we've got our silent. N-O, no. Very impressed if you got that one. I, hi. S-N-O, snow. B-R-I-T, bright. M-I-T, might. F-R-I-T, fright. W-I-N-G, wing. B-O-O, blow. Sh-O, show. O-O, low. N-I-T, night. Turn that one round so you can see the buttons in the string. Thick, thick. And these are our last two. Thin, thin. Can't get the last one off. There. O-O, slow. Well done. Thank you for joining me today for Oh, Blow the Snow. See you again soon. Have fun.